Hey guys, it's Julian with LeatherSeats.com. Today's video going to show you our wireless charging console upgrade in the second gen Ford Raptor. Hey guys, we have the second gen Raptor in the shop that already has factory leather seats, but as you can see, the original console lid is in pretty rough shape. We offer a direct replacement console lid cover that upgrades the factory vinyl lid to real leather, but for this build, the customer requested our Sanctum wireless charging console lid upgrade. We recently released this platinum-inspired stripe design for the Ford F-Series console lid cover, which also complements the accents in this Raptor's leather interior. We use black leather with light gray stripes and stitching to match the seats, and the red trim ring to complement the stripe on the steering wheel. Our wireless charging system is fully integrated into the factory console lid, eliminating any extra cables and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. We designed the charging tray with a magnetic bed and hard ridges around the edges to help keep your phone in place. This unit is compatible with most smartphones that utilize the QI wireless charging protocol, and the charging tray is available in multiple sizes to accommodate most phones. If your phone case is outside of our standard or XL dimensions, be sure to give us a call as we may have additional options. We're offering this wireless charging console lid upgrade as a send-in service, so we'll email you a prepaid shipping label to send the lid to us. To uninstall the lid from the vehicle, all you need to do is remove the 8 T20 torch screws from the hinge plate. Your wireless charging console lid will arrive ready to bolt back in and comes with a fast charging compatible USB adapter for the 12-volt power outlet, so no custom wiring is required. If you want to avoid using this power outlet, you can also hardwire the charger to the power and ground wires under the cup holders behind the console.